In this video, I'm going to show you a Twitter account tracker for meme coins you must use. And the best part is it's completely free and integrated into an exchange or a trading platform, which is called Axiom Pro. Now, there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now on here, once you have your Axiom account ready, you can just go to trackers up here, which is the third tab, click on that, and from here you can start customizing your feed. Now if you click on customize feed over here on the right, you can see you've got your list and top subscriptions. Now I'm going to show you how to actually set this up. So under my list, you can add your Twitter handles, and one of the easiest ways and the quickest ways is to go to top subscriptions and see which of these handles are top subscribed and most boosted. So you can see over here their handle, so different people and their handles. You can see their amount of subscribers as well as how many boosts they have. So these boosts are given by people, and if it has a lot of boosts, it usually means it's a good handle. However, of course, you have to make your own research before adding them. Now, if you simply want to add these people over here, you can click on this plus icon, just like this, 4 or 5, let's say, and if I go to my list, they've now been added. And with each and every single individual on the list over here, you can hide or reveal tweets, you can hide the profile updates or show them again, or hide follows or show them again. So it's actually amazing, okay, because it allows you to actually have full control of your list over here. And if you don't like somebody anymore, or if you don't want to follow them, you can simply click on remove from list over here on the right, and you're good to go. Now, if you have any boosts available, as you can see, you will earn one boost per 1 Solana traded. You can click over here on boost next to somebody, and when you click on that, you'll be able to basically just boost them, okay? So in case you have any boosts available, if you've traded enough Solana, you can boost that person and they will go up in rankings over here on top subscriptions. Now, on your list, of course, you can then start tracking these people. But what's also great is that you can also add your own people on here and your own custom handles. So if you click on add handle, top right, you can enter in a username or essentially a handle, and you can start tracking. So for example, let's say we're going to do Elon Musk. And by the way, if you want to find this kind of handle, you can simply go to X, and then on the X website, you can see just below the username, you can see their handle over here, and you can add them in here. So you can start customizing this according to your own needs and, of course, whatever you need. Now, what's also great is this allows you to import and export your list. So if you know a streamer or a good trader and you would like to get their list over here, some even give it away for free, or you can just ask them if they would give it to you. What you can do is then import it from them when they send it to you, and then you will have their list customized over here, which is amazing, of course, if you are into that stuff. Now, you can export your own as well and share it with your friends. So you can click on export, and then it will be copied to your clipboard. You can send it to somebody and they can paste it in here like this. If it looks, basically it looks like this over here, and you can click import and you'll get them in here set up just like they have it. Now, once you've done this, you can then go to Twitter alerts over here, and if it's not showing anything yet, what you have to do is just click somewhere else for it to refresh, go back to trackers, and as you can see, it's now over here, and you can see all the different posts from those people who are basically who you're following, their handles. So after you do this, what's also amazing inside Axiom, you can go to any site over here and you can pull up the Twitter tracker to stay on your screen. So at the bottom, it says Twitter tracker with the X logo. Click on that and you can actually keep it like this. So you can just keep it on your screen and go around. As you can see, it's still showing, or you can just put it to the left over here, or maybe even to the right if you want to, and it's gonna stay pinned over there at the very position. As you can see, I like to keep it over here on my left side, so let me just put it there. There we go. And if I move around, you can always have it as an active window over here, so you can see exactly what's going on basically live, which is amazing. Now, that's pretty much it. As I said, if you want to try it out, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. It's completely for free and you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees. So make sure you check that out. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.